Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all okay. Right, I thought I'd do a quick little blog just so we can catch up because I haven't put a video out for a week or so, and I did say on the last one I've got loads of stuff coming up, and I have, and I've filmed loads. There's at least 10-15 videos there. That's not once you see that hook, I've just dragged that across my leg. Not a very good thing to do, was it? Couldn't, you know, I like to fiddle with have things in my hand and so put it out of the way. Yeah, so I've done enough videos, but just haven't had a chance to put them up and upload them and edit and all that. Some are done, ready to go, some are well behind. Hopefully by now you would have seen part 2 of the post hole drill. I've got a funny feeling it's not going to be on before this, so it'll be the next video I'm guessing. But part 2 is done. We've got a video on the 48 we went and picked up, and the blown with the blown engine, and I've got a video on the Toro, and I've got a video on quite a few different videos to go. I'll say it's got to be 10 or 15 now, I should imagine. The next video I'm doing is on this Haterette. It's going to be a service, and I'm going to probably end up just swapping this casing because the recoil pull start doesn't return all the time. I've got another one there. If not, I'll have a look at it and see what we can do with it. Then I've got a separate video of changing the blades. I was going to do it in the service, but I think it'll be more interesting for people to have a separate video on that. A lot of people haven't even looked underneath one of these Haterettes, so I thought I'd do that. That's just the sort of stuff I grew up on, so you know. And you will come across one of these eventually if you've never done one. What else is happening? The bike, the lift van, I don't think you can see it, but I might be able to move it over. There it is. The ignition, all that cut, the ignition and the key and everything come lovely jubbly. The problem being is the plugs are the wrong size and the wiring loom is completely different. So I've gone to change the plug, and I will do that all out on film. I mean, I've lined up everything ready, and I looked like, I can't be bothered now. But that's something else I've got to film still. But it's all here, so that's one good thing. Pain in the neck, actually. I'm going to show you. I'll do it so it's showing everything. Yeah. So this is the nice new plug they give me, and this is the original plug. I don't know if you can see it. Let's go get it. There you go. That's the new one. That's the old one. So you can see the difference in the size on it. It's twice the size. So that's something I've got to sort out, obviously. I've got a little tool, handy little tool coming. Well, it's supposed to be handy to try and clip them, so when that gets here we'll do that. So I've got enough videos to cover for now. It's just I would have liked to have got a bike one in. One of the bike ones in, so it sorted it. Trying to think what else is happening. For the mower, making money from lawnmowers. The little yellow McCulloch mower is on eBay, so if you want to find that and you can watch that and you can see what that goes for. I think that's got about another 8 or 9 days to go on it. Be interesting if anybody bids on it. Yeah, so that's on there if you want to watch it and just see what it goes for. But I will do a video, I suppose, of that. I should do a video of that when it sells. So I won't do a live. I don't think I'll do a live, you know, like before I did the filming of the end of the auction. I don't think I'll probably do that because that's like hassle, and I don't really know if people liked it, to be honest. But it's on there if you want to go and have a look, go and watch it, whatever. I'm running behind on my eBay stuff, as you know, for new parts. I've got a stack of new parts, stacks and stacks of them actually. It's just about getting them all listed and trying to sort out the braking stuff as well. I haven't really put a lot of that on, but I've got loads to do. It's a trouble finding time at the moment. It's not so much work, it's just life in general, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying. I'm watching the screen, I'm not sure if you're watching it, but I'm watching the screen because it's struggling like hell to focus. It's fighting against everything, and I say the light is not very good tonight. It is getting dark, it's getting late, and I think that's probably about it. It's a quick one so I can get it uploaded hopefully tonight or tomorrow morning. And yeah, so if you like this sort of stuff, or the small engine stuff, subscribe, thumbs up. Thanks to all my new subscribers, thanks to all my old subscribers and supporters. It's a great sort of thing. Yeah, and like I say, hopefully we'll get a lot of video. I'm going to try to do it hopefully this week, every other day, the next sort of 3 or 4, well, say 5 days, 6 days, whatever it works out to. Get a video up, and then we'll slow it down again to probably once a week again, or maybe twice a week. But I've got plenty to put on now, so hopefully you ain't going to wait around too long and you'll start getting bored of me again. Right, bye for now.